At the salon.
Do you have an appointment today?
Yes, I booked for 2 p.m.
What time does the salon open?
It opens at 9 in the morning.
Can I walk in without a reservation?
Sometimes they accept walk-ins, but it's better to call first.
How long does a haircut usually take?
It normally takes about 45 minutes.
Do you offer hair washing before cutting?
Yes, we always wash your hair first.
What shampoo do you use?
We use a gentle moisturizing shampoo.
Is the water temperature adjustable?
Yes, you can ask for warm or cool water.
Do you offer a scalp massage?
Yes, a 5-minute scalp massage is included.
What style are you thinking of today?
I would like a layered bob that frames my face.
Do you want it shorter in the back?
Yes, just a little bit shorter.
Would you like a wash and cut combo?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Do you need any hair products after the cut?
Just a light styling spray, please.
Would you like me to recommend a product?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Do you have any hair color ideas?
I'm thinking of a subtle caramel balayage.
Are you ready for a color consultation?
Yes, I'd like to discuss the shade.
Do you prefer warm or cool tones?
I prefer warm tones for my skin.
How often do you color your hair?
I color it every 6 weeks.
Do you have any allergies to hair dye?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Would you like a deep conditioning treatment?
Yes, that would be great after coloring.
How long does the treatment take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you want a blow dry after the treatment?
Yes, please style it with a smooth finish.
Do you want any heat protection spray?
Yes, that's important for my hair.
Would you like a haircut for your partner as well?
No, they are staying home today.
Do you need a manicure after your haircut?
Not today, maybe next time.
How do you usually pay for services?
I prefer to pay by card.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, I have a points card.
Would you like to collect points today?
Yes, please add them to my account.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, I'd like an electronic receipt.
Are you happy with the length of your hair now?
Yes, the length is perfect.
Do you like how the layers look?
I love the texture, thank you.
Would you like any hair accessories?
Just a simple hair tie, please.
Do you need a mirror to check the back?
Yes, could you hold it for me?
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, thank you for the great service.
Would you like to book your next appointment now?
Yes, next Friday at 3 p.m. works for me.
Do you prefer a morning or afternoon slot?
Afternoon is better for me.
Will you need a reminder call?
Yes, a text reminder works.
Do you have any special requests for the next visit?
I'd like a trim and a deep condition.
Are you interested in a new haircut style?
Not this time, I'll keep the current one.
Do you need a hair tie for the next appointment?
No, I already have enough.
Will you bring your own hair products next time?
Yes, I prefer my own.
Are you happy with the price of the service?
Yes, it's reasonable.
Do you have any suggestions for us?
Maybe more magazines in the waiting area.
Would you like a discount on your next visit?
Yes, that would be great.
Are you planning to bring a friend next time?
Possibly, I'll ask them.
Do you need a parking pass for the salon?
No, I park on the street.
Is the salon easy to find?
Yes, it's on the main high street.
Do you prefer to book online or by phone?
I usually book online.
Have you ever tried a hair spa?
No, this is my first time.
Would you be interested in a hair spa next visit?
Yes, I think I'll try it.
Do you need a towel for the spa?
No, the salon provides them.
Are you comfortable with the music level?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you need a bottle of water while you wait?
No, thank you.
Will you be staying for the full service?
Yes, I have time.
Do you need a mirror to check the side?
Yes, could you bring one?
Are you satisfied with the length of the layers?
Yes, they look great.
Do you need a haircut adjustment tomorrow?
No, I think it's fine now.
Will you recommend our salon to others?
Definitely, I already have.
Would you like a discount on your next color touch-up?
Yes, please.
Are you interested in a loyalty program?
Yes, I'd like to join.
Do you have any special occasions soon?
Yes, a birthday party next week.
Would you like a special hairstyle for the party?
Yes, maybe some loose waves.
Do you need a hairspray for the party?
Yes, a strong hold spray.
Will you have a makeup artist as well?
No, I'll do my own makeup.
Do you need a hair accessory for the party?
Just a simple clip would be fine.
Are you comfortable with the salon's opening hours?
Yes, they suit my schedule.
Do you prefer to pay cash or card?
Card, please.
Will you need a receipt emailed?
Yes, that's fine.
Are you happy with the salon's cleanliness?
Yes, it's very clean.
Do you need any extra towels?
No, thank you.
Would you like a loyalty card update?
Yes, please.
Are you interested in a seasonal promotion?
Yes, tell me more.
Would you like a discount voucher for next visit?
Yes, that would be nice.
Do you have any questions about the products we used?
No, everything was explained clearly.
Will you be back for a regular trim?
Yes, every 6 weeks.
Do you need a reminder for that?
Yes, a text reminder works.
Are you comfortable with the salon's music selection?
Yes, it's soothing.
Do you need a bottle of shampoo to take home?
No, thank you.
Would you like a sample of the hair oil?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Are you satisfied with the overall look?
Absolutely, thank you.
Do you need a final look in the mirror?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I'll go to the front desk.
Do you need a bag for your hair products?
No, I have my own bag.
Would you like a receipt printed?
Yes, please print it.
Are you happy with the waiting time today?
Yes, it was reasonable.
Do you have any suggestions for improving service?
Maybe more magazines and coffee.
Would you like a coffee while you wait?
Yes, a small cup please.
Are you comfortable with the temperature in the salon?
Yes, it's just right.
Do you need any assistance with your coat?
No, thank you.
Will you be back for a summer haircut?
Yes, I'll book in June.
Do you prefer a short or long haircut for summer?
I think a short cut will be cooler.
Do you need a sun protection spray for your hair?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Will you tell your friends about our summer promotion?
Absolutely, I'll spread the word.
Do you have any final comments?
No, everything was wonderful.
Thanks for watching.